It has been almost exactly 6 months since I started practicing film photography again. Let's go back to the start. My brother and I took a day trip to Lansing, Michigan, where we took photos of these abandoned homes across the street from the state capitol. A few days later, my old friend Trevor and I went for a photo walk around St. Anne's Church in Detroit. This was the last time him and I got together before he moved to Tampa, Florida. It is such a beautiful location. There were still Christmas decorations up because this was before the new year in December 2023. We walked up and down the surrounding streets where these photos were taken. I particularly like the shot of the United States Post Office trucks with the foggy city in the background. I finished off the roll and popped a new one in while we headed downtown, specifically to Greektown. If you're a returning viewer, we should both be able to agree that my work has gotten a lot better since December 2023. If you're new, you're best off just believing me and dropping a subscribe. Here's me. And the New Hudson building. I want to thank you all for a really good 6 months. It's been an incredible learning curve, not just film photography, but also making YouTube, making TikTok, posting on Instagram. I've even started posting on Reddit a little bit. At the end of the day, I've met a lot of pretty cool people through this, and I have a lot of experiences that I wouldn't have had if I hadn't started. If I hadn't started getting out there and taking pictures more. I feel kind of like I'm finding my groove as a creator, and I think things are going to get a lot better. I'm going to cut this video here. If you want to see more of my content, check me out on TikTok, Instagram. You can even check out my portfolio website in the description. There is a lot more content coming soon. I have a handful of photo walks I'm in the process of editing, a video about revisiting Superia 400, which I shot back in 2019 before it was discontinued, and I'm working on a new super secret series about a road trip out west, the behind the scenes of preparing my vehicle for that trip, and we're going to be doing a little bit of camping and off-roading vlogs in between those weekly film photography uploads. You'd better follow along so you don't miss it. I think we're going to have a lot of fun.